Hey, it's Make Me Up, me as in M-I for MakeMiUp-MilahZamira. And I just want to thank you for even tuning in to my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Feel free to like, share, and comment. And I'm going to show you guys how I achieve a quick brown smoky eye. Stay tuned. I hope you guys like it. I went ahead and did a nude lip, and as you can see, I added a pop of color to her waterline to give it an extra glam, and it turned out so pretty.
Girl, you did it again. I'm thinking about not wearing my hat now. It's cute. Of course,